Now we'll learn how to make use of ChatGPT to write the Excel formula based on the business requirement. So here is a business requirement. I have some business data. In the first column, I have serial number. This is demo data, so I have small records. In real time, we might have large number of records. In second column, I have product category, flat, lot, or bungalow. The next column, I have my agreement value. What I want to do, I want to write formula first to calculate tax percentage dynamically. If the value is less than 50 lakh, I want as 1%. If not, if it is more than 50 lakh or 50 lakh, I want 5%. First, I will write only percentage 1 or 5. Then I will calculate the amount and then I will do the sum. So let's start one by one. First, to calculate the tax percentage only. So I'll go to ChatGPT. I write here, write a Excel formula to calculate tax percentage based on column C amount starting from row number 2. Starting from row 2, if amount is less than 50 lakh, then percentage should be 1%, else 5%. Calculate only percentage, not amount. I want only 1% or 5%. Okay, press enter and wait for the system response. So here is the formula, and after that system is giving the explanation. So what I will do, I will write here, I will just copy that formula here. I will press enter. Okay, so here it is not working. So what I will do, it is if C2 is less than 50 lakh, that is 0.01. So what I will write, okay, let's say it's not working. Write formula to get only percentage either as 1 or 5. So this is the beauty, like even if you're not getting the right result in the first question, okay, in the same chat you can write whether it is working or not working, and you can ask for different formula. So again, I will copy here, I will copy this, I will go to my Excel sheet and I paste here. For this time, see here, it's coming 0.01, 0.05, etc. Okay, so let's play again with ChatGPT. It's coming as 0.01 or 0.05. Okay, it should be 1 or 5. Let's see some more correction. Copy the formula again. If you know the Excel formula, we can directly do the correction here. But let's play with the ChatGPT as of now. Great. So now we can see here it is 1%, 5%. Again, do, let's say I don't want percentage here. So what I will write, I will remove this percentage sign. We can again ask the ChatGPT. Let's do like this. Okay. So here we got a formula 1% and 5%. See here. Okay. So here it is 5% because the value is 51 lakh. Here it is 25 lakh. So percentage is 1. This is how we can calculate the dynamic value. Now what I want here, if it is plot, I want to make this as 0, and if it is bungalow, by default I want to make as, let's say, 8%. Okay, change the formula. If category in column B is as plot, make tax percentage as 0, and if it is bungalow, tax percentage should be, let's say, 8%, else follow the first logic of based on amount. Here what I want to do, if it is plot, I want the tax percentage to be 0. If it is bungalow, 8%, and remaining all, system will follow the same logic. And simply this time I don't want percentage sign, write without percentage sign. Okay, so I will copy this formula again. See, first one was simple, but this is little complicated. Here, copy the formula at all the places. See here, see the beauty of this. Here, it is less than 50 lakh 1%, flat more than 50 lakh 5%, plot is 0, and bungalow is 8. So this is the beauty of Excel formula, and even if we don't know the Excel formula, we can make use of ChatGPT. Here I have only 3 category. In real time, we can have multiple category. So we have to write a question in a proper way so that system can understand and give us the proper value. Now what I want next, I got a percentage. Okay, here I want to calculate the amount. Okay, so here what I will write, now in column D I have tax percentage. Calculate the tax amount based on the amount in column C and percentage in column D. I have my amount in C and percentage in D. So in next column, I want a tax amount now. So I will copy this formula, go back to Excel, enter formula in the first row, and here double click. So this will get copied to at all the places. Now see the formula. It is 40 lakh. So 1% of 40 lakh is 40,000. So here we can see the 40,000. 5% of 51 lakh is 2,55,000. So here we can see the exact amount. For plot, it is 0. And for bungalow, it is 8%. So 8% of 1 crore is 8 lakh. So this is how easily, even if we don't know the Excel formula, by using the use of ChatGPT, we can write the formula. Now finally here what I want sum of agreement value and tax amount, that is column C and column E. Okay. Now write the formula for sum of amount in column C and E. Simply copy this formula, go back to Excel file and add the formula to add all the records. So here we can see why it is adding 1, I have to check. It is 40,000. Here it is adding 1. Okay, it is D to E. Okay, so what I will write, I want sum of only 2 column C and E. Okay, not D. So here system was adding D also. So let's copy this formula now. Because here you can see this file is getting added. So what I will do, I will copy paste the new formula here and I will add this formula at all the places. Now see, here it is 1 crore and 8 lakh. So here you can see the 1 crore 8 lakh, here 40 lakh 40,000. So like this, we can make use of ChatGPT to write the Excel formula for us. And as shown in the first level dynamically. In real time, sometimes we work with different product category or different type of, let's say, percentage and all. So we can make use of this dynamic formula. Like here I did for plot, I have the simple formula. Like if it is less than 50 lakh, calculate 1 or 5. But plot I want 0. But bungalow I want 8%. So this is the beauty of Excel formula, and to write the formula you can make use of ChatGPT. This is demo purpose, real time, based on your industry, your requirement. Try 1 or 2 times. So whenever actual requirement is in, you can easily write the Excel formulas. Thank you.